Hi everyone. Today let's see how to install the Bluej application for running the Java program. So for that I am browsing bluej.org. This is the official website to download the Bluej software to run Java environment. So here if you see here it's free Java development environment designed for beginners. So here if you scroll down you will find four different installation features, one for Windows, Mac OS operating system, Ubuntu and others. If you are using the Windows you have to click on this Windows. As I am using the Windows, I will click here. Once you click here it will start downloading. A Control J shortcut to go for the downloads. This is the Bluej software that I am downloading. It will take about 3 minutes to 7 minutes. It varies based on the net speed. So let's wait till the completion of the download. So let's wait. And if you have any doubts regarding program or any topic to be explained, let me know in the comments. I will explain in the upcoming videos. And yeah, let's see how to run the Java programs, the Bluej software later. This Bluej software is very easy to use, and I used to prefer this software because when I was in the 10th class, so uh, I used to write the program and do the practice within this software, and I am very much interacted with this software. So we can use NetBeans IDE and Eclipse as well for running the Java coding. And for now, we can continue with the Bluej, and it is downloaded now. It is very easy to use. Show in folder. If I click show in folder, it will open the downloads. This is my application. If you go here you see here Windows installer package. Author is Bluej and title is installation database, subject Bluej installer. So when the application is downloaded, now you have to install this Bluej software. Double click on this application after download. Now the pop-up will come preparing for the Bluej setup. Now it is ready. Click next and just install for you. Then click next. Uncheck these two because you know need to create a shortcuts. We don't need shortcuts. Uncheck, check this only. Then go to next. Now you have to set the location where you want to install. So let it be the program files. This is a custom for path where all the softwares will be installed. Then click next. No need to change anything. Now if I click install, it will go, setup will be Bluej software will be installed. Once it is installed, yes, I have cancelled it because I have Bluej software already. If you see here, this is my Bluej software. So I'm not installing it again. Now Bluej, if you go here, you will find the Bluej application here. Now you want to open unpin from taskbar. It should be pinned from taskbar whoever installed just now. So pin to taskbar, then you will find here. You no need to take any shortcuts. So you can launch directly from here. I will show you the unpin from the taskbar. So I have followed all the steps. Installed Bluej. Now pin to taskbar. Pin to taskbar, you got the option. If I pin to taskbar, the Bluej software has been came here. If I click here, it will launch the Bluej application. That's it. This is how you can. So this is the code that I have written, and I will explain you upcoming videos. Thank you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. I will explain you. And let's see how to write the Java program in upcoming videos. Thank you.